afternoon, everyone, and welcome. Joel Seach, Principal Advisor of Harpel Financial Group. Just touching base with latest market updates and movements, and thought I'll do a video footage this time rather than a PDF. That way you don't have to read too much, and you can take some general extracts and up-to-date information from last week's movements. What we saw was the market in general had some ups and down days and ended up finishing the week fairly flat, from the Dow Jones slightly down, which is the US market, and the Australian market slightly up. At the time of this recording, it's up slightly today, and we'll see that volatility to occur up and down over the short to medium term as we start to or continue to progress through the COVID-19 and coronavirus worldwide and economies begin to reopen. The other main market update we saw last week was the sale or partial sale of Colonial's first stake, the divestment from CBA selling to KKR Investment Managers. So who's KKR? KKR is a leading global investment firm. They deal in a range of different areas such as credit, real estate, alternative asset classes, private equity. So they're a global investment firm that specialises in different areas, and they have agreed in principle to a deal with CBA to take 55% ownership stake in the Colonial First State platform. So what does that mean? Over the medium term, CBA continues to want to work. They own 45% of Colonial. The transition is supposed to occur middle of next year, 2021, for the sale to occur. But from them on, the medium term, they want to continue to work with KKR management and create value for all the stakeholders and members. And the separation, and they continue to maintain that hold for the medium term. As I've spoken about previously, I've always thought CBA would look to eventually divest partially or fully from Colonial over the period. It looks like it's gone with a partial approach initially, and potentially ongoing from that. It may go further, but only time will tell in that regard. In terms of the update from the market update or KKR, they're looking forward to working with CBA and creating an even more valuable platform and creating value for members of Colonial. So they're continuing to want to look to invest and push the platform further into the future. So from an initial standpoint, it looks like they've got good intentions to be able to continue to progress Colonial and work with CBA on that front there. The actual sale purchase price was about $3.3 billion for that portion of 55% of the stake, and they intend to undertake significant investment programs, so strengthening Colonial as one of Australia's leading retail and superannuation investment providers and businesses. So overall, it looks like both parties are excited to work with the deal, and KKR looks like it wants to continue to progress and invest and push Colonial further into the future. So I thought I'd give you a quick market update and also an update on the KKR purchase of the Colonial First State platform and just the overall review of that sale transaction, which again is looking to progress into the middle of 2021 to take place upon APRA reviewing it. Nothing further to add at this stage. We'll continue to monitor it as we always do and make sure that it's going to be the right fit for your investment platform, and that Colonial is going to continue to be a quality offering for you going forward. As our reviews continue to progress, we'll review that and make sure that's the case. I hope you're all enjoying, keeping safe, enjoying a few days of nice weather, which is good. And we'll continue to keep in touch as part of our ongoing help, making sure that we'll continue to meet your goals and objectives into the future. Take care and have a great day.